Where is rhino? Where is fox? Where is zebra? Where is giraffe? Where is bear? Where is cheetah? Where is tiger? Where is lion? Where is wolf? Where is deer? Where is monkey? Where is mongoose? Where is chimpanzee? Where is leopard? Where is leopard? Where is gorilla? Where is hippo? Where is an elephant? Where is kangaroo? Where is hyena? Where is alligator? Where is alligator? Where is panda? Where is bison? Where is an apple? Where is chiku? Where is watermelon? Where is jackfruit? Where is jackfruit? Where is plum? Where is kiwi? Where is an orange? Where is apricot? Where is coconut? Where is grapes? Where is fig? Where is fig? Where is pineapple? Where is peach? Where is dragon fruit? Where is strawberry? Where is raspberry? Where is guava? Where is sugarcane? Where is pear? Where is pomegranate? Where is banana? Where is mango? Where is jamun? Where is avla? Where is cherry? Where is star fruit? Where is ramphal? Where is papaya? Where is lychee? Where is an avocado? Where is horse? Where is cat? Where is buffalo? Where is camel? Where is ox? Where is yak? Where is goat? Where is dog? Where is duck? Where is rooster? Where is rooster? Where is pig? Where is hare? Where is donkey? Where is cow? Where is rabbit? Where is sheep? Where is an onion? Where is capsicum? Where is ginger? Where is potato? Where is radish? Where is turnip? Where is sweet potato? Where is pumpkin? Where is cauliflower? Where is spinach? Where is green peas? Where is tomato? Where is cucumber? Where is chili? Where is French bean? Where is beetroot? Where is broccoli? Where is drumstick? Where is cabbage? Where is curry leaves? Where is curry leaves? Where is corn? Where is carrot? Where is brinjal? Where is garlic? Where is ladyfinger? Where is fenugreek? Where is bottle gourd? Where is long bean? Where is long bean? Where is dill leaves? Where is crow? Where is parrot? Where is canary? Where is sparrow? Where is hummingbird? Where is vulture? Where is myna? Where is flamingo? Where is flamingo? Where is penguin? Where is eagle? Where is cuckoo? Where is cuckoo? Where is robin? Where is goose? Where is goose? Where is peacock? Where is bulbul? Where is tailor bird? Where is pigeon? Where is owl? Where is ostrich? Where is woodpecker? Where is hopper? Where is butterfly? Where is dragonfly? Where is locust? Where is spider? Where is housefly? Where is beetle? Where is scorpio? Where is honeybee? Where is firefly? Where is ladybug? Where is ladybug? Where is snail? Where is mosquito? Where is grasshopper? Where is grasshopper? Where is cockroach? Where is an ant? Where is cricket? Where is bullock cart? Where is train? Where is bullock cart? Where is bullock cart? Where is motorboat? Where is train? Where is helicopter? Where is ship? Where is jeep? Where is motorcycle? Where is motorcycle? Where is bus? Where is bicycle? Where is boat? Where is truck? Where is car? Where is tanga? Where is school bus? Where is an aeroplane? Where is auto? Where is tricycle? Where is sunflower? Where is periwinkle? Where is daffodil? Where is daisy? Where is daisy? Where is sunflower? Where is periwinkle? Where is daffodil? Where is mogra? Where is lotus? Where is marigold? Where is lily? Where is tulip? Where is frangipani? Where is hibiscus? Where is daisy? Where is bougainvillea? Where is rose? Where is dahlia?
This is yellow color. This is red color. This is blue color. This is green color. This is orange color. This is white color. This is rectangle shape. This is star shape. This is circle shape. This is oval shape. Square shape. This is semicircle shape. This is diamond shape. This is triangle shape. This is heart shape.